Hi, my name's Gaz, the Mini Painting Punk, and this week I've been a little bit under the weather. Just a regular cold, thankfully, and I've also burnt my finger. So, as you can imagine, hobby progress has been a little bit slow. So, instead of a hobby project this week, I'm going to give you a little tour of my hobby room. So I'm in quite a privileged position in that in the house that myself and my wife rent, it's big enough that I can have a whole room to myself to dedicate to the things that I enjoy. It's not a big room, but I understand that a lot of people have to make do with a corner or a table or a bit of a table and a hobby box that they bring out every now and again, because that's what I made do with for years. So I understand I'm really privileged to have this room, no matter how small it is. It's it's a mess, but I'm quite proud of it. So let's have a look. So we're going to start at this really boring door and work our way left. So this is my computer desk. I made a decision sometime last year to have a separate computer desk and painting desk so that my computer desk can remain clutter free. As you can see, that's working out brilliantly. I'm currently printing something, maybe for a video, maybe for my own amusement. I haven't decided yet. We've got some sprues down there of unpainted stuff. Let's have a look in these drawers. Let's see. Unpainted models. Unpainted models. Unpainted models and scenery. More unpainted models. Unpainted models. Some classics in there. More unpainted models. Yep. Oh, painted models. Let's see what we've got here. Classics. Look at the muscularity. Brilliant. So yeah, sprues, bits, more bits. More bits. So yeah, it goes on and on. Over in this corner, we have some of my other obsessions. So we have some Transformers and some old consoles. This corner is more hobby stuff. Not all of this is unpainted, but a lot of it isn't. Some board games as well, which is something I really miss doing with my friends since all this COVID business. We've got some primed models waiting for painting there. Let's add them to the list of unpainted things. More Transformers, some mostly painted models but not finished. Latest Mortal Realm subscription, so there's some more unpainted stuff. This is my painting space. I've got some nice 3D printed little paint stands here, which I sort of customized to the space, so they fit in really nicely. Over here we've got, so when I set this space up, I wanted to try and make it so that pretty much everything I'd need when I was painting would be within arm's reach. So obviously all my paint's at the back there. We've got underneath, we've got some bits and models, extra paints and inks. That's full of models. That's full of models. On here, these two shelves, this is pretty much my basically current work in progress. So as you can see, I'm really good at starting things and then doing something else, and not so great at finishing things, but I'm trying to be better at that. This shelf here is all hobby tools and paintbrushes, and the bottom shelf, that is all bits and bits and bits. Some more bits in those boxes, some old computer games, some more half-finished projects, and down here we have lots of sprues of unpainted minis as well. That's a large part of the pile of shame, but as you can see, not all of it. And then we have the display cabinets, which still have plenty of empty spaces, because as you've seen from my workspace, I am not so great at finishing things, but I'm getting better. I've looked out with these because the shop that I work at, they had upgraded all their cabinets, and these were sat in the basement, and I found them, and my boss very kindly let me steal them. That's great. And that's my hobby room. So thank you so much for joining me on this little tour. Hopefully back to a full hobby video next week, and until next time, goodbye. One more thing, I just wanted to let you know that there's still time until the end of October where you can enter the draw to win this Gobsmasher that I built for my video last week. Just click the link here and comment October, and you will be entered into a draw to win this Gobsmasher thingy. Also, I would love to see your hobby spaces, and if you wanted to send me some pictures of your hobby spaces, then you can find me on Twitter at minipaintpunk. I would love to see all of your hobby setups. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, goodbye.